Hi, in this video, we are going to talk about performing rights organizations. So a PRO, performing rights organization, they issue blanket licenses to businesses in your territory to play your music. Okay, so that includes restaurants and bars and radio stations and that sort of thing. They obtain a blanket license, and then the PRO, the performing rights organization, collects the money and distributes that money proportionally to the songwriters or the people who own the rights to the music that was played. Now, you're going to want to make sure that you're collecting money from PROs all over the world. The main way of doing that, the most historically correct way of doing that, I suppose, is to register with the PRO in your territory. In the UK, we have PRS. In America, there is ASCAP, BMI, CSAC, and Global Music Rights. Okay, but you only need to ever sign up one of them. There is a small caveat that I'd like to talk about as well, which is sound exchange. The PROs that I've talked about, they represent songwriters, so the people who own the songs, or you owning the underlying composition, again, the song, the chords, melodies, lyrics, that sort of thing. So the PROs that I've just talked about, they represent the songwriters and collect money for songwriters. But there is also Sound Exchange, who are very, very unique in the sense that not only do they represent artists, so people who own the recordings, but they also collect royalties for non-interactive streams. Okay, so an interactive stream is like Spotify, right? On Spotify, you make a playlist, you choose the song that you want to listen to. That's an interactive stream. A non-interactive stream is Pandora, for example. Pandora is kind of like a radio thing where it's a streaming service, like it's a digital streaming service, but you don't choose the song. A bit like Last FM or something like that back in the day. So make sure that you are collecting those royalties as well. If you use a publishing admin company, they will certainly sign up with the PROs and collect all of that money for you. But you definitely want to read the terms and definitely make sure that they are collecting on the other side. And they might not. I'm not entirely sure. It depends on which one. But if they don't collect the non-interactive stream stuff on the artist side, the recording side that is, you want to sign up to Sound Exchange or soundexchange.com to collect those royalties as well. So that is a video about performing rights organizations. Hope that was useful, and I'll see you in the next video.